As we depart the station, up to our right is the 18-story tall Colossus Ferris wheel. Reminiscent of George Ferris's original wheel featured here in St. Louis at the 1904 World's Fair. Be sure to take in the fantastic view from the top of its towering heights. At the 1904 World's Fair, several new items debuted, including the hot dog, hamburger, and the ice cream cone. You can get these tasty treats down on our left at Colonnades, 1904 Classic, and First Cone. If you're looking for a Southwestern kick, Macho Nacho Burritos may suit your. Down on your right is Justice League Battle for Metropolis, a 4D interactive dark ride experience. Prepare to do battle with the Joker and Lex Luthor to help free the Justice League. Also on your right, you'll see the Moon Cars. These cars are similar to the buggies manufactured right here in St. Louis by Joseph and John Moon at the last turn of the century. Be sure to stop by and let your little one go for a spin. And you don't even need to show your driver's license. Overlooking the Moon Cars is American Thunder. This compact coaster features an 8-story drop and speeds up to 50 miles an hour as it crosses over itself an amazing fort. To our left is the 1904 World's Fair Catering Room, featuring expanded seating, state-of-the-art kitchen facilities, and more for your group or corporate outing. Contact our group sales office for more information. We are now entering the Six Flags engine house, where the Tommy G. Robertson makes its home. The Tommy G is a real working steam locomotive. Water, heated in the boiler, turns to steam, which drives the pistons that power our train. Instead of wood or coal, the Tommy G burns non-polluting propane. As we exit the engine house, I'd like to draw your attention to our right, where you can see the log flume. The log flume was originally called the Hoo Hoo, after the Lumbermen's exhibit at the 1904 World's Fair, the House of Hoo Hoo. Watch out at the end, because what goes up must come down with a wet surprise. The log flume is one of the original rides from when Six Flags St. Louis opened on June 5th, 1971.
Are we going to get a rollback on the train? No, yeah. Now we're picking up speed. Even off duty, they wave.
Over to our right, an ice blue and shuttle to perfection is Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast. Watch out, as Mr. Freeze has flipped his lid, turning the trains backwards. Powered by linear induction motors, Mr. Freeze catapults passengers from 0 to 70 miles an hour in just 4 seconds, down a 190-foot icy tunnel, 1,300 feet of track, and up a 218-foot vertical climb, before doing it all over again, forwards. Mr. Freeze is located on an island surrounded by Thunder River, 7 acres of man-made white water rapids.
I love you.
Oh, see the deer under the sports? There's another one over there. Where?
Now, if you look through the trees to our left, the boss would like to have your undivided attention. Standing at 122 feet tall, the boss features 4,631 feet of bone-jarring thrills, speeds over 66 miles per hour, and a 150-foot double-down first drop. All this makes the boss one of the top wooden coasters in the country, and one of the reasons why Six Flags St. Louis is Missouri's coaster capital.
It's a big reservoir.
Yeah. There's some geese in there.
I know. Look at him.
Yeah.
That one's loving it. It's taking a nice bath.
Alright, the Dragon's Wing sends you free-falling
I
from
can't wait,
153
remember?
feet on the wildest flight of your life. Be sure to reserve your flight time early.